All right, here we have Mr. Winslow in Aquabog, New York. He has the SaniDry CSB dehumidifier in his basement.
And let me tell you, it is one terrific unit. I can tell you stories about how effective it is. For example, I had a gallon of water in storage. Something went wrong with the plastic. Normally it would have leaked all over the floor, but oh no, the dehumidifier was so effective, it sat on a piece of a wood plank and was absolutely dry. That dehumidifier not only makes the basement drier and smell fresh, but it also makes the whole house feel cooler because it keeps the moisture levels low. And the most interesting thing I did once is I took a hygrometer that I normally keep upstairs, and the humidity on a hot summer day last year was about 70% in the house. I put it downstairs, it was 31%. I thought maybe that dehumidifier set a little bit too low, but the point is, it's so effective. But the service that you guys give is terrific. The original install was great. Nice people to deal with. And I'll tell you, I would recommend Bill Simone's Healthy Basements to anybody.